your guide to a naturally brighter smile. Hey everyone, welcome back to Fit for Life. Today, we're talking about something that can really boost your confidence: a brighter, whiter smile. Many of us are hesitant to use harsh chemicals or spend a fortune on treatments. That's why I'm excited to share 5 natural, effective, and affordable ways to whiten your teeth at home. These methods use natural ingredients to gently lift stains and brighten your pearly whites. So if you're ready to unlock the secrets to a naturally radiant smile, stick around. Let's kick things off with a tried and true method: baking soda. This humble kitchen staple has been used for generations as a natural teeth whitener. Baking soda is a mild abrasive that helps to gently remove surface stains from your teeth. These stains can come from everyday activities like drinking coffee, tea, or red wine. It also creates an alkaline environment in your mouth, inhibiting bacteria growth. This can help maintain a healthier oral environment and reduce the risk of cavities and gum disease. To make your own baking soda paste, mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of water to form a paste. You can adjust the consistency by adding more water or baking soda as needed. Apply this paste to your toothbrush and brush your teeth gently for 2 minutes. Make sure to cover all surfaces of your teeth, but avoid brushing too hard to prevent enamel damage. Use this baking soda paste once or twice a week. Overuse can lead to enamel erosion, so it's important to stick to this recommended frequency. Consistency is key when it comes to seeing results. Regular use of baking soda can help maintain a brighter smile over time. For a more refreshing flavor, you can add a drop of peppermint or lemon essential oil to your baking soda paste. This not only enhances the taste, but also provides additional antibacterial benefits. Remember, baking soda is abrasive, so use it in moderation. If you have sensitive teeth or gums, consult your dentist before using baking soda as a teeth whitener. Overuse can wear down your enamel, leading to increased sensitivity and other dental issues. Stick to the recommended frequency to avoid any potential problems. Give baking soda a try and see the difference it can make in brightening your smile naturally. With regular use and proper care, you can achieve a whiter, healthier smile without the need for expensive treatments. Next up, an ancient Ayurvedic practice: coconut oil pulling. This traditional method has been used for centuries to maintain oral hygiene and promote overall health. Lauric acid in coconut oil has antimicrobial properties that help break down bacteria causing plaque and bad breath. This natural compound is highly effective in combating harmful microorganisms in the mouth. Start your day with a tablespoon of organic, extra virgin coconut oil. Make sure to use high-quality oil to maximize the benefits. Swish the oil around in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes. This process, known as kavala or gundusha in Ayurveda, helps to pull out toxins and impurities. Spit the oil into the trash can, rinse your mouth with warm water, and brush your teeth. Avoid spitting the oil into the sink to prevent clogging. Practice coconut oil pulling daily for optimal results. Consistency is crucial to experience the full benefits of this ancient practice. While it's not an overnight solution, regular oil pulling can brighten your smile. Over time, you will notice a gradual improvement in the whiteness of your teeth. It helps remove surface stains, improve gum health, and freshen breath. The antimicrobial properties of coconut oil contribute to healthier gums and a cleaner mouth. Consistency is key. It might take a few weeks to see significant results. Be patient and persistent, and you will be rewarded with a brighter smile. Incorporate it into your daily routine for a brighter, healthier smile. Make coconut oil pulling a part of your morning ritual to enjoy its full benefits. Activated charcoal can be your secret weapon for a brighter smile. This natural remedy has been gaining popularity for its ability to whiten teeth effectively. Activated charcoal is a fine, odorless, and tasteless powder that's incredibly absorbent. It's made from coconut shells, wood, or other natural sources that are processed at high temperatures. It acts like a magnet, attracting and binding to tannins that stain your teeth. Tannins are found in common foods and drinks like coffee, tea, and red wine. Wet your toothbrush and dip it into activated charcoal powder. Make sure to use a soft bristled toothbrush to avoid damaging your gums. Brush your teeth gently for 2 minutes, focusing on stained areas. Be careful not to scrub too hard, as this can cause abrasion to your enamel. Rinse your mouth thoroughly with water until it runs clear. This step is crucial to remove all the charcoal residue from your mouth. Use activated charcoal once or twice a week. Overuse can lead to enamel erosion, so moderation is key. A little goes a long way. Start with a small amount of powder. You don't need much to see results. Be cautious. Activated charcoal can be messy and potentially scratch your enamel. Always handle it with care. Consult with your dentist if you have any concerns. They can provide personalized advice based on your dental health. Give activated charcoal a try and see the results. Many people have experienced noticeable improvements in their smile. Let's move on to apple cider vinegar. This pantry staple can work wonders for your smile. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which has natural antibacterial properties. Mix 1 teaspoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with a cup of water. Swish this solution around in your mouth for 30 seconds to a minute. Spit it out and rinse your mouth thoroughly with plain water. Use apple cider vinegar sparingly and with caution. Limit rinses to once or twice a week and always dilute it with water. When used correctly, apple cider vinegar can be a valuable addition to your teeth whitening routine. Last but not least, let's talk about hydrogen peroxide, a common household disinfectant. Hydrogen peroxide is a mild bleaching agent that can effectively remove stains. Mix a 3% hydrogen peroxide solution with an equal amount of water. Swish this mixture around in your mouth for 30 seconds to a minute. Spit it out and rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. Use this hydrogen peroxide rinse once or twice a week. Always use a 3% hydrogen peroxide solution and dilute it with water. Avoid swallowing hydrogen peroxide and discontinue use if you experience any sensitivity. Use hydrogen peroxide responsibly and in moderation for effective teeth whitening. So there you have it, 5 natural and effective ways to whiten your teeth at home. Incorporate these natural remedies into your daily routine and be patient. For an extra boost, check out V34, a natural teeth whitening product. Find a special offer for V34 in the description box below. Subscribe to Fit for Life for more natural health tips, and give this video a thumbs up. Here's to a brighter, healthier smile and a more confident you.